Moving on to Edo State now, the Edo State House of Assembly has appointed Honorable Jonathan Aigbokhan, APC Asan West, as the new majority leader following a shift in party strength that has placed the All Progressives Congress APC in the majority. This development comes after the APC officially informed the Assembly in March of its new status, promising a leadership reshuffle. The party now holds 13 out of 24 seats in the House after 4 members defected from the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and Labour Party, leaving the PDP with 11 seats. At Monday's plenary session in Benin City, Speaker Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku read a communication from the APC leadership naming Honorable Addeh Isibor as Deputy Majority Leader and Honorable Mustapha Leecky as Chief Whip, alongside Aigbokhan's new role as Majority Leader. A planned appointment of Honorable Richard Edosa, APC Oredo West, as Deputy Chief Whip was withdrawn, as the Assembly does not officially recognize the position. Edosa had recently switched allegiance from the LP to the APC. Now, despite the APC getting the majority, the Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the Assembly remain members of the PDP, highlighting a unique leadership dynamic in the House. Speaker Agbebaku noted that the PDP is expected to submit its list of new principal officers soon and emphasized the importance of unity and cooperation across party lines.
I have also regretted that I can assure you that this time today is all we have is for the state to move forward. Whether majority is for the state to move forward. And we have said it right in our session that the governor